These are my pre-lab answers. This is the blink, and as you can see, it's blinking at a second, so 1,000 milliseconds, which is recorded there. So it is acting as. So this is for the blink faster. Here, basically, I increased it to 50, and I can see it blinking. And so if I go ahead and go to 10 and delay the length and put that in, and I'll load that up there. I can't see it, but the camera can. So this LED is obviously blinking faster than a human eyesight can register. So definitely this is something that is on the limits of human. So this is part 3 with the fade, and so here we have the code that we got from Arduino, and basically this is how it works. So it'll go down, dim, and then brighten, and dim, and then brighten. Now if I go and adjust the brightness, say per se to 10 and upload that, we will see that the duty cycle has changed. So this brightness is used in this if statement here. And so brightness is less than or equal to 0, or brightness is greater than or equal to 255. So the higher this brightness value, basically the brighter this thing gets, and as you can see, it's glowing red now. So this is part 4 of the manual fade. In this part, we will basically make it seem like we're using analog right when we're really using digital right. And so here, you can see that it's blinking, it goes down, goes up, blinks, blinks. So I will adjust this value. So right now this is at a high value, and so I'll adjust it to medium value here, medium frequency. And you see it's a little bit slower, yep, which is to be expected and what we're looking for in the circuit. And that's me adjusting this delay value here to reflect in the different frequency. And so now I'll do an even slower one. Yeah, and you see it. Oop, slow, nice and slow. So yeah, we're getting some good adjustability here, as you can see, and we're definitely making it seem like we're using analog right when we're using digital right. So I'd say this one was pretty successful. Okay, so this is part 5, where I basically create my own program and basically make LEDs do something cool. So this is just a look at the code that I used. And then as you'll see, I used an analog pin, ground, and then I use these PWM pins as well there. You can see I have 4 LEDs, and then I have 4 330 ohm resistors, and then I'm using a potentiometer as well. And so here you'll basically see I can increase the brightness, and then I get to a point and then it blinks, and I go back and I can decrease the brightness, and boom, it hits again. So I basically did it to where I can adjust the brightness of these LEDs back and forth, and then there we go.